Look at that. Look at this. You can find some sticks and throw it for him. Yeah, he might be careful because he may bite you. He doesn't want to give it back. No, we could. No. All right. Now we can throw it. Whoa. And just be careful so he doesn't bite you. Yeah. Yeah, be careful. Are you okay? Yeah, be careful when you're taking it away from him, because he doesn't want to give it back. Whoop. Yeah, throw it for him, yeah. Wickett, look at that. Like lift it up so he can see it. Wickett, look at that. Wickett, look at this. Wickett, look at that. Look, get it here, Wickett. Wickett, look at this. Wickett, look at this. Come and look. Look at this, get it. Look at this. Look. Get it, Wickett. Yeah, no, it's okay. Get it, Wickett. Get it. Like throw it for him, so. Get it, Wickett, get it. Like he has to see that you're throwing it and where it goes, so. Enough? Szukaj, Wickett, gdzie to jest? Ready to go?